Hi everyone, it's Rand's Adventures. I just want to talk um, about Adventure Island in Southend. It used to be my local park a long time ago. Went there today, but I thought I'd look into Adventure Island because I remember as a kid I went there, and it used to be called. I remember something along the Peter Pan. So I thought I'd just have a look. Now in 1918, it started out as called the Sunken Gardens, where it is now. It says Sunken Garden Western Esplanade. And back then it was a seaside garden in the 1920s. It had a couple of rides there. In 1976, it was bought by the Miller family, but they only had it on one side of the pier before. And it started off, used to be Peter Pan's playground. It became Peter Pan's Adventure Island, and then it became Adventure Island, and they dropped the Peter Pan. It had various stuff there. And then either side, so the 1930s. In 1995, they expanded to the east side of the pier. Yeah, and it's such an amazing park now. It's got everything for everything for different ages. Obviously, it had green screen, which was their top ride, until obviously Rage. It was the most dearest outlay they've ever to pay on a ride. It's £3 million when it was built, Rage, but it's got a sensational, epic layout on the seafront at Southend. Obviously, you've got things like the light sights of Axis. I remember the Crooked House. There used to be a lake next to that in the olden days. I remember obviously the dodging, the go-karts that used to be where the Big Wheel is now. I remember so much different stuff there. It's such an amazing park. I will show you some pictures. As you can see, various pictures as I'm talking of the different history of the park. As I said, the Miller family own it. Obviously, and this summer, obviously last year they brought out the Big Wheel, or the City Wheel, which was obviously because Southend got city status. And now obviously they will do. There's a new drop tower coming to Southend, which looks. Obviously, they've put out the 4 names for it, but it's gone out on all their social media stuff. Can't wait to see which one it gets. Please see their social media. It is an amazing park. It's the only walk-through park left in the country. You have to buy obviously a wristband, £20. If you buy it online, it's £20. If you buy it on the day, it's £26. You can buy an evening one, which is half price. You can also, and a yearly pass to the park is £56, which is an epic deal. Plus, you get 20% off food and merchandise. You get money off the golf. You get 50% off the Sea Life Centre that they own, the Sea Adventure Centre that they own, which is further down, more east at Esplanade. As you say, the park itself, as you can see from the map as well, you've got it's a massive. It's on the front. It's a big enough park for what it is now. And obviously they're expanding as much as they can with the space that they've got. But it's got so many memories for me there. Since I've got older, I've been able to go down there more on my own and things like that. But it's amazing. Today, I got to see. I went down there today, and you'll see a little bit of footage now. Hi everyone, it's Ryan's Adventures. Just a quick update. Visiting my nan in Southend, so I'll quickly have a look at the new, obviously the new drop tower that's been put in at Southend. See there, you've got footings. You've got diggers there and that, just here. Not much there, but there's not much gone up yet. Obviously they've just dug holes down the bottom there, but nothing's gone up yet. I thought I'd just do a quick update. That was a little bit of me showing you from Southend. I thought that I'd cut that in there. Obviously you can see the drop tower. You can't see much because I was quite far away from. I was through the fence. But it's such an amazing park. You have to visit there. As I said, it's got so many children's rides. It's got loads of children's rides and adult rides. Obviously, it's got access, and obviously, it will have the drop tower that's going in. Once that opens up, I understand it's opening up in March. It will be amazing. Please follow me for more updates on the channel. I will be covering a lot of the park next season. I will try and get as much as I can down there and visit the park, and obviously show you more POVs. I'll get you some POVs from the park, from different rides, including the drop tower, including Rage, including Axis, all the other rides that they've got there. So please follow me along. Please follow the channel for more updates on the drop tower. Yeah, it is an amazing park. Please, Adventure Island. Please go and visit Adventure Island. Adventure Island is amazing. So from me, Ryan's Adventures, I'll see you at Adventure Island.